step into the Kia 2018 Stinger Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2.0L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 8-way power adjustable passenger seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.